Okay, so hello everyone. This is Anshuman Tandon, and I welcome you to Excel Man. So, in today's episode, we are going to just increase the topics from the last video. So, in the last lecture, we have learned how to get today's date in Excel and how to get the last date of the same month in Excel. But in this particular lecture, we are going to learn about two new topics, which is how to get the last date of previous month and how to get the last date of next month in Excel based on the same date. So as we discussed that I'll do a little bit zoom in over here. So as we discussed, in order to get today's date, you have to type equal today function, and we have used for the last date of same month a function name as EO month. Now let's say if instead of the last date of same month, I want the last date of previous month and the next month over here. So what I have to do is I have to use the same function. So first let's discuss how to get the last date of the previous month. So in order to get the last date of the previous month, I have to type EO month, open the bracket, and then select the date for which I want to do this exercise. Then after pressing a comma, I have in the months tab, if you remember, for the same month we have applied 0, but for the previous month we have to apply -1 over here, and you can see that we'll get a date over here. I'll format this into the date format. So you can see this date is 30th April, which is the last date of the previous month. And similarly, if you want to get the last date of the next month, what you have to do, you have to type EO month function again and open the bracket, and you have to select the date for which you want to do the exercise. And for the previous month we used -1, for the same month we used 0, and for the next month we have to type a comma over here, and we have to press +1 over here. So we will get the last date of the next month, which is 30th June 2023. So I hope you like this video. If you like this lecture, please like and subscribe, and also follow us for the similar videos like this. Thank you very much.